Hello, everybody, and thank you for attending this presentation. My name's Anthony Munns. I'm the head of digital here at Octopus, and I just want to let you know how long this is going to take and a little bit more about what you're gonna learn. So it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to be introduced to Octopus and our automated AI trading system, a little bit about fintech and a little bit about AI and machine learning and how the investment kind of wealth growth sector is changing rapidly and how you can get in on the action really and how you can sort of start to see some decent ROI for your investment capital. So Octopus is a fintech company. We're based in Europe and we're an automated AI trading system. That's what we deliver. That's our software. That's what we've created. We're currently delivering 3 to 4% audited ROI per month, and that's since 2016. We are going to give you a $100 Amazon gift voucher to anyone who opens an account from this webinar, just as a bit of a thank you. We know that some of these are not really worth your time. We want to make sure this is worth your time. And if you do decide to become a client, which we really hope you do, at the end, we're going to just give you a little bit of a bonus. So just to be good guys. So let's move forward with this. Put simply, if you invested 100,000 US dollars today, in a year, you could see your account grow to between 126,000 and $160,000. That's considerable growth, and that's looking at around 2 to 4%. So the low end of that is 126,000, the top end is 160,000. We're currently delivering around 3.5 to 4% a month on average, which is clearly going to tick you towards 160,000 towards the end of the year with compound interest included. So as you can see, the returns are really quite decent. We're not a get-rich-quick scheme, so we are looking for investors who are looking to stay to the medium to long term. The time has come for many smart investors to look at alternative investment solutions. The fintech sector, which we're in, is offering many options nowadays, and we are very proud of our service here. So why are you not on the golf course letting cool technology grow your wealth? Good question. I'm sure we all want to be on the golf course or doing something we enjoy doing while something's automatically growing our wealth. Well, the reason why you're probably not doing that right now is because you're probably unaware of AI investing. You might be a bit of a technophobe even. Maybe you don't really understand the fintech world. Perhaps you've heard it all before with supposed easy money systems. I'm going to mention this many times. We're not in this for the short term. We have clients that typically want to stay medium to long term. This is steady ROI. We're not offering 40, 50, 60% a month ROI. It's not our game. We'll learn a bit more about what we do, but be prepared to be educated and excited in equal measures, because we think we're going to be excited about what you're going to learn. So let's just take a really awful situation of COVID-19. This is March, April 2020. The global stocks have fallen 25% from February 2020, and you'd still only get an average of less than 1% from your bank in a full year, less than 1%. But this is the kind of situation for many people. Happily, we can say at Octopus, with our CPOD V2, which is our latest software, we returned 5% during March 2020, and we've produced 10% ROI since the start of 2020. So awesome figures, steady away. We're not giving you insane percentage ROI per month here. This is steady incremental gains based on our software and our technology. What you will learn here is, in this presentation, is how to grow your wealth using automated AI trading technology without understanding how to trade or the markets. You won't need to do any of that. And how to become a modern investor and understand the brave new world of fintech. We're going to educate you there. And so how your investing perspective will change. At the end of this presentation, you'll think totally differently about your investing options. You'll understand fintech terminology better, and in relation to Octopus especially, and how sophisticated AI and machine learned algorithms can help you grow your wealth in the medium to long term. Again, we just want to stipulate that this is about long-term growth, not short-term gains. So all this AI is confusing, right? We know that. It's difficult to understand what artificial intelligence means in different relationships with different technology. But deep down, I bet you know that this brave new world has amazing opportunities for you. And if you're an institution, your clients as well. And of course, ideally, you do not wish to learn a new language. It's a brand new sector. It's going to be difficult. You've probably got better things to do with your time, but I bet you're open to find a solution that will help you capitalize on the clear trend of AI investing. And that's what Octopus offers. It offers the solution to capitalize on this new technology based around artificial intelligence and trading. So I'm going to introduce Octopus and CPOD V2. CPOD V2 is a play on words. We use the word sophisticated cephalopod being an octopus. So CPOD V2 is our version 2 of our first software. We're an award-winning European fintech company. We've got 3+ years of audited performance data. We're averaging 3 to 4% per month ROI. And if you want this information, please jot down this email right now. It's info@octopuz.com. That's info@8topuz.com. And just ask for our audited performance data as a PDF from one of our fintech specialists. They'll sort you out. So let's just have a look at the performance of CPOD V2. This is back from 2016, December, right the way through to the COVID pandemic in March. Two important figures here. One in February 2019 shows a negative of 10%. We don't like that. I'll explain more later though. And the second is the March 4.97% figure of 2020, right in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic when global stocks were down 25%. We're going to just extrapolate and discuss this a little bit further. But this is just our performance data from way back in 2016, sorry. So this is just at the end of 2016 for 3 years. You can see we're completely outperforming the S&P 500 and the HFRI macro. Awesome data for us there. And our performance statistics in general, we've had 97.4% winning months. We've had one losing month, the 10% one, which we're going to go into detail. Our average winning month is 3.95%. So around 4% is our average winning month. That's over the course of 3+ years. So if you just take a look at some of the data there, I think you'll be suitably impressed by our audited figures. So the dip was key. Really, honestly, we made the most out of this awful month that we had with minus 10%. It made us just look at what was going on. It was our own fault in some ways. We did a trial for that month to push the returns a little bit higher. We increased the risk, and we realized that a lesson had been learned. We should go back to our roots, put what we learned back into a version 2, so get the developers on the case with the AI system and the machine learning, and we went back to our roots of having a risk managed AI system, and it's now key to our success. It's absolutely instrumental, the root cause of our continued growth. It was a turning point. So our development team then applied advanced machine learning. This helped the system adapt to any further anomalies. As you'll see from 2020, you know, we've been just absolutely dominating. We've been doing fantastic returns. This has been in one of the most volatile periods for a long time in the markets. So CPOD V2 was created out of this anomaly we had. So we made something good out of it. We offer sophisticated AI. We are a leading software company. We were award-winning. AI and machine learning are our tools that help us deliver the consistent ROI for our clients. So our average yearly ROI is somewhere approaching 50%, 48% plus. It's very good ROI for our clients. They're very happy. So some key areas that we want you to understand. Our award-winning AI trading software works much like a team of highly skilled traders. If you want to think of it in a simplistic way, obviously it's machine-based, so it's different to humans, but it's effectively highly skilled in particular areas. Traders that work on data. Our machine learned neural network can recognize historic and future patterns, and it helps make lightning fast decisions based on market conditions, which is how our system works and how we manage to produce this positive ROI consistently. 2019 was a really good year. We've grown and grown since we started. We've particularly focused on the MENA region. And we've had a really good strategic partnership now with Seed Group. Seed Group are actually the private office of Sheikh bin Ahmed Al Maktoum, part of the Dubai royal family. They did the due diligence on us over a period of months. We're now firmly strategic partners with Seed Group and their strategic partners also, which are aligned with our businesses as well. So technology companies, machine learning companies, and we're working to advance our own systems and bring new technology to our clients and ensure that our system continues to grow. So again, it's just a trust factor. We want to show that, you know, we are not here for the short term. We're building partnerships up with key players in strategic regions, and we're going to continue to grow. Our trading partners. Well, it's important that you see our trading partners. We need to integrate our software to an MT4 platform. This is offered by brokers, and you can choose from one of our growing list of licensed broker partners here. We have a number here to choose from. It's absolutely your decision. We can advise to some degree, but really we don't offer advice on the actual broker choice. It could be by region though. Maybe you want a licensed broker in certain regions, and we can point you to those. And you have to choose your own broker. You've got many to choose from there. They're all licensed, and it's how we integrate our software into their platform and make sure that we have our AI trading software working on your behalf. So this is our trading partners. And we'll just move on to just talk about CPOD V2. This is our version 2. It's our advanced AI trading software. It trades on your behalf under very specific conditions. The risk managed foundations are at the root of our software, so you let the system deliver the steady ROI. If you have any questions that are maybe a little bit more technical, this is where speaking to a fintech specialist is key. You can do that at the end of this presentation. I'll show you how to do that. Big question about the pricing and fee structure. There's no setup fee currently. We may be introducing a sliding fee at a later stage based on your initial deposit. But right now we simply work on a percentage of performance fee, which is 30% on your gains. So if you don't win in that month, we don't get a performance fee. So we need to keep producing positive ROIs in order for us to gain our performance fees and gain our profits as well. So that's a very simple way of how we earn. The machine is your friend. It's definitely time to let the machine do your trading investing. And you need to just sit back to enjoy the fruits of your hard work. The big banks have had this power for many years in terms of algorithmic trading, machine learning, AI. But now the power of AI has been more easily accessed by fintech companies like ourselves, Octopus. And we're here to deliver that opportunity to you as a client. And give you alternatives to what you're perhaps used to in terms of the investment and wealth generation sector. So when's the right time to get involved? Well, the world is rapidly changing. You've seen it already. This year, in 2020, there's so much happening. It's been happening for a long time. Fintech companies are growing. Established systems are breaking down. And your money's no longer seeing growth at the banks. It really is. Technology is our best ally. And here at Octopus, we're using machine learned systems to develop highly effective new ways of investing. So you can tap into the benefits of this new technology. So now is the time. Currently, there's no setup fee. Again, we might be introducing a sliding fee at a later stage. So it is a great time to get involved with Octopus now. So right now, we simply work on the percentage of performance fee, which is 30% on your gains. And really, we're just ready to start having a conversation with you. So probably right now, it would be the perfect time to just jot down our web address, octopus.com, 8topuz.com. And just go to our contact section or speak to somebody on our pop-up chat form and just start asking the questions that you want answering. And book a consultation with our fintech specialists who will just go through the software and discuss what your options are. And so you'll be able to be better educated a little bit more if you've got more specific questions that we've not covered on this on this webinar. So now really is the time, though. I mean, considering we're delivering approaching 4% ROI per month, you can see this is clearly audited. We've got strategic partners. We're winning awards all over the place because of our fantastic software. This is a great time to start a conversation with Octopus, and we hope to hear from you soon and help you with your wealth growth needs. Thank you very much. My name's Anthony Munns. I'm head of digital here at Octopus. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye.
Want an alternative intelligent investment solution? Think Octopus.